Cincinnatus. Romans believed that they needed a strong leader. In the Roman Republic, consuls resigned during difficult or dangerous times. The office of dictator was created for times of emergency. During those times, the Senate appointed a dictator to lead the republic. This is not the same type of dictator as we have seen in today's time. During the crisis, the dictator had complete control over Rome. After the crisis was over, the dictator was expected to give up his power, and the regular government power was to be restored. Cincinnatus was a famous dictator. He had been a respected Roman consul known for his loyalty to Rome. In 458 BC, a powerful enemy threatened to destroy the Roman army. The Senate appointed Cincinnatus to handle the emergency. Messengers were sent to his farm to get Cincinnatus. Cincinnatus accepted his appointment to the role of dictator. He created an army, led it into battle, and won. Within 16 days, Cincinnatus returned to his farm. Cincinnatus was respected for his civic duty. Civic duty is the idea that citizens have a responsibility to help their country. George Washington was a famous leader inspired by Cincinnatus.